Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining in. This is your MC Myra DeCosta and welcome back to my channel. So for today, we have an inspiring person. We are going ahead and meeting a wonderful person who loves gardening. You can see all the amazing plants around. And now it's time to show you all who this lady is. So let's go and meet her.
Hi, I'm Mary D'Souza. I'm a housewife and I own Evergreen Nursery.
What has been your inspiration?
My inspiration was green gardening or flowering. I always like to do some vegetables or flowers. I always liked, but when I was going to work, I didn't have time to do much. The lockdown, when I was sitting home and doing gardening and not doing all these things, I thought, okay, there are so many plants, why to throw out? I thought I'll do a little bit gardening and a little bit earning. So I started doing all by myself, grafting and cutting and putting in bags, buying a little more soil and bags and planting them. So people also started asking, oh, you're doing good, and it made me encourage more. So I started doing more, and that's how I made this evergreen garden.
What are the plants that you have in your garden?
I have kalanchos. These are the red, and I have yellow and orange also. They are not bloomed. These are all begonias. And this is coleus. Turtle vine. This is turtle vine. These are anthuriums. These are the red lips. Many varieties. When you all want, you can visit and see.
What are your most sold plants?
Most sold plants are like spider plants, coleus, begonias, kalanchos, anthuriums. These are the mostly go, and now this season mostly people take hanging plants or flower plants.
What is the biggest plant that you have in your nursery right now?
Biggest plant I have this like money plant.
This is a 7 feet or
Yeah,
7 feet.
9 feet it is.
More than 7 feet, it's 9 feet. Can you tell us about the fertilizers that you use?
For fertilizer, I make it at home myself. These are the like kitchen waste I bring, all the vegetables, not cooked food, but all the kitchen vegetables waste, whatever remains of the vegetables, onion, whatever I peel, that I put here, and some dry leaves. Then keep it for a while. I have to mix it like eggshells, whatever you get, but not cooked food. Any other things you can put, and then 2-3 months is ready. This is you can use for your garden, homemade, organic, and this is the liquid fertilizer. And then you can spray, or sometimes you can put a little bit of this, or handful of this fertilizer is enough for the 12-inch pot, and the small pots you can put a little bit less. Once a week you use this, and then sometime I buy this NPK 1990 and 2020 also, but that I use once a month. Mostly I make at home, and then I use it of myself for fertilizer because it's organic. Nothing can destroy vegetables or fruits or whatever you grow.
What are all the problems and challenges you had to face?
I had to face a lot of problems when I started this nursery, because I didn't know what to do and how to do. When I started, I thought, oh, it's easier, I can do it. Then I came to know I have to buy a lot of fertilizer, a lot of soil. Then it was not easy to get them. Then I started doing my own fertilizer, and then the raining season came, destroyed a lot of plants of mine, and then some side rats are there, my little dogs are there. They gave me a little bit pain, but I did not give in. I said, okay, when I said I will do it, I will do it. In between, many things came, like a lot of bugs, and I didn't know how to deal with them, because this is the first time for me. I was doing little things of mine that was working, but the big garden like this was not easy. But then I went to search in the net, then I came to know what to do with that. And now, slowly I'm coming back, and then I'm feeling happy, okay, now I know what to do.
Okay, Mary, so the last question for you. What is your message to all the younger generations out there?
So younger generation, I only want to give one message. Being old, I can decide to do little gardening at home and be busy myself. Youngsters also, they have lot of plans in their heads. If you really think, oh, I want to do, there is many work children can do. No matter what comes in your way, please don't give in. Don't give up. There is many things you can do it. So I only want to say that don't give up.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is our beautiful Mary. Mary, thank you so much for joining us and telling us, our viewers, also everything. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and
Hit the bell icon.
to get more notification coming your way. So, alright, Mary, thank you so much. Thank you everybody for watching.
Don't forget
this
to
video.
like.
Don't forget to like, share, comment too. Thank you so much, Mary. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Praveen.
Bye bye.